Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these really simple and easy, quick paper stars. They're genuinely so easy to make and they're such a good craft to do in an evening. And they're just a really fun little activity and craft to make while watching a Christmas movie and drinking some hot chocolate. But yeah, so anyways, let's just go ahead and get started.
Okay, so starting off with materials, you'll just be needing 6 sheets of 8x8 squares of paper or cardstock. I'm just using this 8.5 by 11 paper pad, and then you can just, I'm going to show you how to make it into a square. A hot glue gun, scissors, a hole punch, some ribbon, and a bone folder, which is optional. You can use a pen or like a ruler as well. And then some Velcro, which is also optional if you would like to be able to make this into something that you can compress again and store away. So, starting off, I'm just going ahead and ripping out my sheets from my paper pad, and then in order to make this into a square, I'm just folding it diagonally like so, which is also good because you do want to mark right across anyways. And then I'm just keeping these. You should keep them as well. You can make bookmarks or anything out of that. And then now you want to just fold it like this. I'm just gonna kind of show you visually just because it's a little bit easier than explaining it. But yeah, so doing that side and then doing the other side, and then you also want to fold it up, and then making sure it's all nice and pressed, and then going ahead and folding it up once more. And then again, just using your bone folder or a ruler or anything like that, even your fingernails, to just make sure it's really nice and clean. So now I've just gone ahead and made 4 others, so you just want 5 in total to make all the points of your star. And then this is optional. This is the part where if you want to make a little design, you can just go ahead and cut it out now. And then you're going to grab one of the 5 points and just make a little hole at the top just so that you can hang it up later. And then now you're just going to go ahead and grab your hot glue gun or glue stick or whatever, and just go ahead and place it in these 2 spots and then just press it down. And then you're just going to go ahead and repeat that with your 4 other star arms. I wonder if the short form of stars is starms. Probably not. But anyways. So now that you've got all 5 of those star arms, or starms, you just want to go ahead and start attaching each one together. So you're just going to go ahead and place your glue right in this spot over here, and then just attach it on, and just repeat that with all of your points, except for the very last bit. So once you've gotten to this last little point here, instead of hot gluing it, I'm just going ahead and using some Velcro and hot gluing the Velcro on, because in this way you can go ahead and like take apart your star and compress it and fold it down, and it's really easy to store for next year. And then now I'm just going ahead and grabbing my ribbon and making a little knot, and then just placing it through that hole that we made earlier, and then you're basically done. Ta-da! And I've just gone ahead and made a bunch, but this is such a fun activity to do with friends and family, and you can just experiment with so many different scrapbook papers and colors and patterns and things like that. But yeah.
But yeah, so here they are. I hope you guys enjoyed, and happy crafting. So if you guys enjoyed watching today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends. And let me know if there's any specific holiday videos that you'd like me to do, or craft videos that you'd like me to do, because I would love to do that. But yeah, okay, all right, love y'all, ciao.